All right, so this is a non-standard base log which we have to evaluate. Now, when we talk about non-standard base log, we are looking at any number other than 10. So if you have log of any other number, like instead of the 3.2 that we have, assuming we had log of 10 to 119, that would have been a standard base log. But if you have any other number apart from 10, then that is going to be a non-standard base log. And to solve for this type of log, you have to use the change of base formula. So what the change of base formula does is you always have to take a standard base log of the argument and you're going to divide that by your standard base log of the non-standard base. So which one is the non-standard base? So our non-standard base is the 3.2. Okay, the 3.2 is our non-standard base because it is not 10. It is other number, any number other than 10. We have the argument to be the 119. So what happens here is you're going to take the log, which is the standard base log of the argument, and you're going to divide by a standard base log of the non-standard base, which is 3.2. All right. And at this point, if you have your calculator with you, just type in log of 119. Okay, there is a log function on a log button on your calculator. So you type log of 119 divided by log of 3.2. If you do this correctly, this should come out as 4.1. All right. So that is how you use the change of base formula to evaluate a non-standard base log. I hope this helps.